Hey PSR at Home, my name is Counselor Ariana. This is Counselor Feely, and we're going to show you how to make a basic bird feeder at home.
Thanks for tagging along, and I hope you enjoy.
So a couple things you're going to need for this craft is some kind of ribbon, twine, or string. You're going to need some birdseed and scissors.
Some other things you're going to need are peanut butter or honey to spread on the roll, and a butter knife to do the spreading.
So the first thing you're going to do is spread peanut butter on the toilet paper roll. Now you want to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to place it on the plate full of birdseed and then just twist it through. When you've picked up as much seed as you want, you might want to clean your hands first. Now you're going to take your ribbon and run it through the roll. The ribbon should be about 2 feet long. And then go ahead and secure a knot at the top. And it's done. Now just go find a tree and the birds will come once you hang it up.
Hey, thanks for hanging out today with us at PSR at Home. Make sure to check out our website at psrathome.org and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media accounts. If you'd like to share your Camp at Home experience with us, make sure to use the hashtags PSR at Home or PSR Camp at Home. We're looking forward to seeing you guys again soon.